You have lots of data, and you may have a machine learning model to predict business metrics. But how do you justify these decisions? Why did one customer get the loan and one didn't? Why was one patient chosen for a clinical trial? You may need a way to explain the AI model's choice. MemSQL offers lightning-fast ingest of critical business data. No longer do you need to wait for batch updates to start visualizing and taking action on critical data. Fiddler offers Explainable AI, an engine that can determine which factors led to the model's decision. For our example, we'll look at Kaggle's dataset on customer churn. Let's try to predict why these customers canceled their account. We set up our database in MemSQL Helios, the cloud scale managed database. We're going to import data into MemSQL via MemSQL pipelines. Pipelines allows ingesting data in real time without blocking queries. Next, we'll connect MemSQL to Fiddler and build an explainable AI model. We could also import an existing ML model and use Fiddler to explain it. Let's select the dataset we're going to use. Then choose the column we'd like to predict, in this case, customer churn, a prediction about whether the customer will close their account. Fiddler quickly analyzes the data and shows unique values in this column and how it relates to other columns in the database. When building the model, Fiddler automatically splits the data into training data and testing data to visualize the model's assumptions. Our model predicted with an area under the curve of 0.843. Great job! Here's a few of the records we predicted. On the right, we can see the probability of customer churn given these account conditions. Let's choose one of the results and explain why the AI model made these predictions. Here's the detailed view of this AI prediction and the relative weight of each of these factors. The highest factor is the account type, and scrolling down, we see the least relevant factor is tenure, account age. We can flip into experimentation mode where we can fiddle with input parameters. What if we were to bundle tech support or reduce their bill? Would we predict they would be less likely to leave? Once we're comfortable with the model, we can stream live data from MemSQL through Fiddler. With each decision, we can drill into the model's answer and fiddle with the inputs to understand how we can yield a different predicted result. MemSQL brings lightning-fast data ingest. You no longer need to wait for the batch update to visualize and act on your critical business data. Fiddler brings explainable AI, so you can get real-time AI-based answers, explanations to why the model chose this answer, and the ability to experiment in real time on how input parameters could change this answer. With MemSQL Helios, the managed database in the cloud, and Fiddler Labs, the managed machine learning platform, you can operationalize your AI assets in the cloud.